Alright, actually let's try this again. I tried to just make a video in my hair, well, so you can't see because of where I have my camera today. But I just tried to record, and I think I was like a minute in, my hair elastic snapped, so I put in one that isn't going to snap in my hair, so it doesn't do that this time. Anyways, I was just saying before I got cut off with my hair, that I haven't made a video since probably, I don't know, I want to say like the 20th maybe, of February. It was my daughter's birthday on February 22nd. We did a girls' day. We went and got her nails done, and she got her pedicure and a manicure. A friend of ours did that. It was really good. It was a really nice experience. I'm glad that she had fun doing it, and we will definitely be going back. But yeah, on the Sunday after her birthday, like, she ended up getting sick in the middle of the night, so we were like, okay, did she just eat too much junk food the day before on her birthday, or like what's going on? And later that day she spiked a fever, so I'm like, yeah, you're not gonna get sick like this just because you ate junk food. Like, her fever is like 101 or something like that. So me and her did not go to her family dinner with the grandparents. Like, my husband and my son went, but we stayed at home, and he had to send me a video of them singing happy birthday to her. She, around like 7:30, she's like, okay mommy, let's go. I'm like, I'm not driving there now. Like, she ended up staying home on Monday, went to school on Tuesday. Then I went to the Old Dominion concert with my brother's girlfriend and got home that night. She ended up puking in my niece's bed. She didn't go to school Wednesday, and then there was a snow day on Thursday, Friday, so like last week was just a cutoff, and then so far this week it's been kind of a cutoff as well. Like, my son is now sick, but in the opposite aspect. He's not puking, it's him being clingy and it coming out the other end, so that's not fun. Literally yesterday I had to throw him into the bathtub to change his diapers. Yeah, let's just say it's, yeah. So if you don't have kids, you know, that's something to look forward to. So I do have a box to open, but before we do that, I do want to say that I have canceled my Glossy box, and I will be canceling my BoxyCharm. Not that I don't want them, I will be subscribing again to them. Just they do not have the skip the month option, and I have a very low credit card, so for me to get some concert tickets that I want for this summer, I kind of need to get rid of some things, buy those tickets, and then get the boxes back. So Ipsy did have that option, but I redeemed some points because I thought that I had to cancel it. So I redeemed some points, and then when I went to say skip the month, they said that they would do the point redemption. So I ended up just saying, okay, I don't want April, just give me May, and give it every 2 months to me. But when May comes around, I'm just gonna say, okay, yeah, you know what, I want it back every month. Okay, yeah. So at least I have that option, like I can change it. But with Glossy Box and BoxyCharm, they do not have that option. So I was like, okay. But with BoxyCharm, I'll probably wait until there's another promo going out so I can get a free item. So we'll see. But today is the SinglesSwag I actually like this box. I got the petite version of it. It's really cute. I'm not disappointed with it. It's really cute. You always get like coupons. I forget what coupons they are. They're downstairs. My daughter checked them out. He's like, oh, coupons. It's a PA day here in my region in Canada, in Ontario. So she's with her dad. She wanted to go with her dad. I don't know. She likes going with her dad to like work. Anyways, you get a card. It says you can win your next box if you post a photo of your box on Facebook and you tag SinglesSwag. And then on the back it just says what you got in your box. So with the petite box you get like 4 full-size items. And then it looks like you always get a snack or something. And then I think this one is $24.99 a month. I pay for 3 months in advance, so I'm excited for this a lot. Yeah. Let's see what I got. We'll try to go in order. Yeah, I'll go in order so I don't get like, oh, what's this? Alright, so the first thing that is on the sheet says is Amelia curved bar necklace. It comes in a little cute box like that. Oh, I also got a new phone this week too, so that was pretty exciting. I like it a lot. Oh, and I discovered TikTok. There goes my life. Not that I didn't know what TikTok was, but I actually have TikTok now, so now I just sit there and scroll, and my son comes up to me and says, TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. I'm like, oh, you want to watch TikTok with mommy? Anyways, curved bar necklace, and it's apparently $58. It's actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see it very well there, but so like curved and it has like a bunch of colors on the thing. It's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. I'll probably most definitely end up wearing that. That's what I like about this thing. It's a little bit of everything. It's a little bit of everything in this box, and it's cute. I like that a lot. Anyways, next up is the Chloe Emerald Calm and Cool Essential Oil. It says this 100% all-natural roll-on essential oil contains real amethyst healing stones and is designed to promote balance and relaxation. To use, roll one swipe on wrist, temples, neck, and behind ear. So it comes in a box like that. I showed my husband this and he's like, oh, that's kind of cool. So it's just a roll-on thing here. But I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but you see there's actual stones, amethyst stones in there. So that's pretty cool. I like that. It's pretty neat. It smells like lavender. Like, I'll probably just end up, you know what, probably putting it by my bed. This might be a good thing. Just put on maybe before bed. Next up here, I took the sheet away. It's my food. I got food again. It's a cute little snack. It is called Lesser Evil. It is Himalayan gold coconut oil popcorn. It says treat yourself with this 100% guilt-free popcorn made with a blend of coconut oil and botanical extracts. It's vegan, gluten-free, and delicious apparently. So a cute little bag like that. I'm actually excited to try it. I am a huge popcorn freak, so I am excited to try that little snack. Probably be today. So the essential oil is $24. So that's how much that is. And the next, and the Lesser Evil says it's $3. So. Next up is the Sienna Mae On My Way Passport Travel Wallet, and it is $28. I think it's really cute. So it comes in a package like that, but it says On My Way, and it's just, you know, a standard case, obviously. But you know what? I don't like the one I have, so I'm excited to get a new one. I think it's really cute. It feels really nice. I'm excited for that. This is the retail value of $28. It says, whether traveling the globe or staying local with this chic, durable vegan leather wallet has slots and pockets for every form of payment and identification, including your passport. So I think it's pretty cute. I'm excited to get that. Next up, it is Way of Will. I said that was $28. This one is, this next item is called Way of Will Brightening Face Serum. It says, keep your skin looking healthy and vibrant with this lightweight, easy absorbing formula that is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating properties. Particularly high in vitamins A and C, which help to brighten, tone, and revitalize the skin while reducing dark spots and repairing damaged tissues and scars. So that's what that looks like there. I haven't actually opened this yet, so I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know if it's dropper style or what. And it is dropper style. So it looks like that. So that'll be kind of interesting to try out. Like I said, it's actually a pretty cute box, so probably end up keeping this one. We'll see. Anyways, so I am going to go because my son is napping and I got a whole crap load of shit to do. Excuse my language, but I do. I got a whole lot of crap to do. So I am going to wrap this up, and I hope everyone has a good weekend, and if you are liking my channel, please subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys, see ya.